Hello everyone! As many of you know, the main foundation for launching most meme tokens is considered to be the Solana blockchain, since it has a number of advantages in transaction speed and low fees, which many other major blockchains lack. For example, if we take Ethereum, the fees inside its network remain comparatively high, and during peak activity on the blockchain, the gas cost can rise to very high levels. Nevertheless, even this problem can be solved, because if the load on the main network is reduced, it is possible to create conditions where transactions will be just as fast and cheap as those on Solana. This is exactly the step taken by the Lil Pepe team, which announced the launch of its own Layer 2 blockchain based on its meme token Lil Pepe, which, by the way, has already raised more than $24 million in the pre-sale. But what makes this blockchain unique? The point is that it is an EVM network created as a second layer for the Ethereum mainnet. It is designed to take on part of the load, thereby easing the work of the main blockchain. Simply put, Lil Pepe is a long-awaited solution for those who wanted to trade meme tokens quickly and profitably, not only on Solana, but also on Ethereum, while enjoying the same advantages. Lil Pepe positions itself as the main Layer 2 network for memes, which will gather many other meme tokens in its ecosystem, thereby creating a new foundation for meme trading. And as you can guess, the main token in this network will be Lil Pepe. Naturally, many traders will start accumulating it to use for trading and working with ecosystem products. By the way, I'd also like to highlight one important point. Within the Lil Pepe blockchain, there will be no fees at all, which immediately makes it significantly stronger than Solana. This is likely to become a key factor for investors and traders who will quickly notice this advantage and begin gradually shifting to this profitable new blockchain. Analyzing all of this, it's easy to assume that the Lil Pepe token will also show good growth, since demand for it will be constantly rising. By the way, I'm not the only one sharing this perspective. More than 27,000 members of the project's community are actively following the token on social media. Most of them are on Twitter, and you can also subscribe there so as not to miss any important updates. For example, right now there's a big giveaway where the team plans to reward holders of their token with Ethereum. To receive Ethereum, all we need to do is buy Lil Pepe for any amount and hold it until the pre-sale ends. While holding the token, the team will randomly select participants and send them prize coins. Now, let's figure out how to buy Lil Pepe so we don't miss the chance to win Ethereum to our wallet. To begin with, you can go to the official Lil Pepe website where the token is currently being sold. On the homepage, we'll immediately see the pre-sale panel. According to the information there, the token is already at stage 17 of the pre-sale, and with each new stage, its price gradually increases. At the moment, the token has already raised almost $25 million, and we don't have much time left to buy it before the mass listings begin. That's why let's look at the purchase process. In fact, it's all done quite simply. First of all, we need to connect our wallet to the project and choose the currency for buying Lil Pepe. Right now, Ethereum, USDT, or even a bank card are accepted. Next, we enter the purchase amount and confirm the transaction in our wallet, after which the Lil Pepe tokens will be sent to our balance. Right after this step, we automatically become participants in the contest and can expect to receive Ethereum coins. However, this isn't the only thing we can win by holding Lil Pepe. The fact is, there's another contest on the website with a prize pool of $770,000, also aimed at early pre-sale participants. In this contest, all those who bought Lil Pepe for at least $100 are eligible. Among these investors, the team will select 10 random winners, each of whom will receive additional Lil Pepe worth $77,000. As for the further prospects of this token, here I recommend turning to the project's roadmap. According to it, right after the token listings, the team will focus on launching its Layer 2 blockchain. Along with it, a high-yield staking system and many other useful products will also be implemented, where we'll be able to use our Lil Pepe to generate new income streams. And of course, as the ecosystem itself develops, investor interest in the token will also grow. It's quite possible that the token will show further growth with the launch of the blockchain, giving us, as early holders, a good advantage. That's why I recommend you explore this token and its future prospects yourself. Let me remind you that all links to Lil Pepe are in the description under this video, so be sure to check out this project. Well, that's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your opinion about Lil Pepe in the comments. I'll be very interested to read your thoughts. See you in the next episode. Good luck to everyone, and goodbye.